In today's video, you will learn if it is possible to stop an abnormal growth pattern in a nail and one of the causes of a ram's horn or gator nail, and see lots of material removed from under this big toenail, so stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
Yeah, most of this toenail is going to come off. I'm about 100% positive.
Yeah.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
It's like another layer of skin. I mean, the nail grew on top of another. Is that what's happened there?
It's just from trauma.
Trauma.
Yeah, it's like a alligator nail, or I can't remember what they call it, but it's...
Well, it looked like there was a new nail growing.
Yeah.
And
I just feel so bad for your toes.
I know. Those toes have cost me a lot of money in shoes.
Oh, I bet.
I can't just wear a regular cheap shoe. I have to wear. Better already.
Yeah, none of that's attached under there.
Is it? When the nail's taken off, will that clear up, do you think?
I don't think so, because of all of the damage that's been done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think they would consider this like a ram's horn nail now. And once the cells change,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that it will.
I saw a couple of those on a doctor had those grandfarm, you know. And, oh my goodness, they were so long and twisted all over the place.
Just relax your foot.
And,
Let me get my thumb.
get backaches from sitting like this?
Yeah.
I thought so. this dead skin?
Part of the nail.
Oh, part of the nail.
Yeah.
It's a little sore on that side.
Yeah, it's pressing down into your toe.
Uh-huh. Wow. You must have strong fingers. Oh, look at this. I had a, what do they call that? They took the skin, I had ingrown toenail, and then they took out,
The matrix.
yeah, they took out some of the nail.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So sometimes that's what causes the ram's horn toenail, because it starts to grow
Uh-huh.
crooked.
Oh, that's why it's called that. Uh-huh.
How many people do you personally know that need help with their feet but aren't getting the kind of help they need? Tell me in the comments.
Yeah, see, the nail can't reattach to your nail bed if it's got all of this buildup underneath there.
Right.
So you've got to keep all of that cleaned out. And then sometimes the nail bed tissue changes
Mm-hmm.
and it won't allow the nail plate to reattach.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So now I'm just gonna thin this out and try to shape it like a normal nail.
Okay. Going and having this taken off, or
That's completely up to you, whether you want to go through that healing process. It'll probably
sorry. So is everything closed up around here too? A lot of your stores? Or...
Well, they're trying to be open. I mean, all of the restaurants have outdoor seating. They've closed up streets up in town to try to stay open.
Are they? We have, I'm only 28 miles from South Bend, Indiana. Most of their restaurants are open, but of course they aren't, it's not like it was before, you know, the capacity is much smaller. But they have a lot of carry-out, as much as they do people eating in. You were off too for, what, a couple months?
3 months.
3 months.
Yep.
I know I called you. I think you said you'd be open, and you gave me a time, and then I called back. take a lunch break?
No.
You're starved by the time you get home, aren't you?
Yeah, somebody will usually go grab me a hamburger. I'll
Oh, do
just
they?
eat it real quick in between clients. Yeah.
Oh. Looks better.
Getting there.
Do you think it's bad to have your toes painted all the time?
Nope, not if you don't have any issues with them.
Uh-huh. You go through a lot of towels in a day, don't you?
We sure do. We do a lot of laundry.
You have a laundry machines here?
Yes.
That's good. Don't have to take them home. Do they?
No, they don't.
That's nice. Where do you get those? Did you order them online? Or?
You can order them online, but somebody made this for us.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
That's very professional.
Thanks. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.